Hello, good morning. How are you? I hope you are doing well, and we are back with our music class. My name is Claudia Lira, and we are going to go through loads of music today. I hope you're ready. Today, we're going to start, as usual, with our movements in order to warm up at least our upper body because we are going to be playing lots of drums today. Okay, so as we warm up, I'm gonna play a song which you already know, and I hope you also remember the name of the instruments in this rhythm or in this culture called capoeira from Brazil. So I'm gonna play it, and we're going to just warm up and try to remember the elements that are in this music, in this song. Okay, get ready. Here we go. So in this music, we have berimbau, atabaque, agogô, pandeiro, flute, vocals. All right? Here we go. Let's warm up on the beat. Here we go. And 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, and now shoulders. 4. 1, 2. All right. Switch directions. Forward now. 4. And then we're gonna move our wrists. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And now let's just stretch up. 1, find the time. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, and stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, back to your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And now let's just go our neck. 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, nice. Good warm up. At least we moved a little bit our upper body because we will get to play lots of drums today. I would like to start right now talking about the tempo of the song. So I was playing Edi Yoyo, Edi Yaya, and we also learned about those instruments. Each instrument is playing a different pattern, all on the same rhythm and beat, okay? So, berimbau, atabaque, pandeiro, agogô, the voice, the claps, they are all following Edi Yoyo, this beat. Right? So we have here the quarter notes. We are gonna learn that the quarter notes actually fall on the beat. We've already talked a little bit about it, and we're gonna just do over the song of capoeira right now. So I want you to understand that 1, 2, 3, 4 are the downbeat and the quarter notes. Once we add another note, which we talked a little bbit about on our tux-tax, when we added the little rock, it's going to become an 8th note. So instead of having Edi Yoyo, Edi Yaya, we're going to have double. Edi Yoyo, Edi Yaya. All right? So we're going to do quarter and 8th notes over this song. All right? What I would like you to do also before we start playing is getting your instruments. So we have any type of object that you can play on. It doesn't break, obviously, it won't break. So we're gonna do our quarter notes. É de ioiô, é de iaiá, capoeira de Angola jogada na beira do mar. And then, when we double, é de ioiô, you can change the drum. So let's see. Maybe we could use this one. Or actually, yeah, let's do this one. So we have boom, boom. All right, so I'm gonna do quarter notes on here, eighth notes on here. Okay, so get ready, go get your drums. See you in a bit. É de ioiô, é de iaiá, capoeira de Angola jogada na beira do mar. É de ioiô, é de iaiá. All right? So before we get going, I would like us to create a rhythm using only fourth, eighth, and rest notes. Okay? So I'm going to show you a pattern and you're going to follow. And you know what? We are going to have a rest now. So we're going to have to do the fourth notes on one drum, the eighth notes on the other drum. And remember, the rest, we don't play, the quarter rest. So we don't play, we'll skip. Okay? So let's see if we can do following these patterns that I'm giving to you. Check it out. All right. So let's follow this first pattern, and I'm gonna keep the beat for you like this, so we're not too fast, okay? So here we go. We count to 4. We're gonna count to 4, and then do the first one a couple of times. 1, 2, here we go. Again, and stop. 1, 2, 3. Second phrase. 1, 2, here we go. And one more. And all right, now we're gonna add a rest note after the quarter note, the first quarter note. So here we go. 1, 2, here we go. And a quarter. Oops, sorry, we can't click even, it's a rest. So here we go. 1, 2, here we go. And last time. And then let's go to our fourth pattern. 1, 2, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and stop. And all right, now we have eighth, rest, eighth, rest. 1, 2, here we go. And rest, rest again, rest, rest, rest. Back to the beat. All right, let's go to the first one and the second one in a row, okay? 1, 2, follow the pattern. Again. Nice one. Keep the beat. All right, let's now do the third and the fourth. And 1, 2, here we go. And last time. And stop. All right, everybody, good job. So this is just a little practice for you to understand how reading rhythms work. Now I would like to play tux tax with you, tutu de tax, but now using actually these notes that we've learned. So let's check it out. Here we go. E 2 All right, we got this one right, and let's pause. Now let's add a note. It's gonna get very tricky, guys, but it's good for us to practice our hands on the drums, and then we can understand how the subdivisions work. So it's pretty much gonna be all eighth notes. Tu, tu, ji, tax, tux, tax, okay? I'm gonna use the table because I like how it sounds, and then we can do tu, tu, ji, tax, tux, tax, tux, tax, tux, tax. Tirou uma foto, tux, tax, tchic, 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 de uma moto, tux, tax, tchic, tchic, vrum, vrum. So we do vroom on the moto, vroom, okay? Let's try. All right, get ready. And tutu de tax. Uma moto. Vrum, vrum, que acelerou. And then brake. Here we go. Tutu de tax. Vrum, vrum, que acelerou. Oh, get the note. Tutu de tax. Vroom, vroom, acelerou. Oh, oh, it's gonna be faster. Ready? Tutu de tax. Tirou uma foto de uma moto. Vroom, vroom, que acelerou. Oh, oh, even more. Tutu de tax. Again, tutu de tax. Vrum, vrum, que acelerou. Vrum, vrum. Vrum, vrum. Vrum, vrum. All right. Whew. See, it's not super easy, but you practice playing drums like that. We are gonna add notes to divide the quarter notes pretty much, or you can add rests and compose however you want the rhythm of a song, as long as it follows the beat. All right, so let's go to our next part. All right, so good job. So this is just so you can experience a little bit more on just using your claps instead of drumming. This 16th note, it's a little bit harder because it involves more notes in the same space. Remember I talked about the distance. On the 16th notes, we have less space in between the notes, which means we play faster. No, I can say faster, but more notes. Okay, so we're gonna do now, we're gonna do quarters, eighth, and sixteenths. Okay, so follow the pattern I'm gonna show, and then you are gonna play. So I'm gonna give you a couple of examples, one or two, and then you continue. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. And go, and nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're gonna do this on your own. So I'm gonna show you the patterns, and then you're gonna add using your body. Then we are gonna add the notes on our improvised drums. All right, so get ready. Now it's gonna be really fun. I hope you're ready. So we're gonna have the notes that we've been studying in these three different material that we recycled: quarters, eighth, and 16th. And then we're gonna play a rhythm. Over the rhythm, we're gonna add our own extra pattern, alternating these notes and creating our own music. So first, just watch how I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna guide you and you're gonna do the same. Okay? Check it out. This is the beat. And then and then It's okay. Quarter notes, eighth, and just to end, I added extra notes there, but basically that's what it happens. We alternate our notes into our drums, and this is a drum set. That's what they do. Instead of using just their hands, though, they use their feet as well. But here we are just learning the basics. So if you got the gist, I believe you did, we can practice together. I'm gonna play the beat again. Ready? So check it out. 1, 2, here we go. You go on your own. However you choose. Choose any of these. Good job! I hope you enjoyed. So this is the idea of these fun notes that we as drummers like to follow and play and create rhythms with. I hope you liked this class today. Let's do more next one. I'll see you next time. Thank you.